Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be making a quick frontal wig. So I've already bleached the frontal and set the baby hair. So I just lined it up like this. Now when you put the frontal on, it should look like a square. You should not have to stretch the frontal back or anything. The thick band that's on the back that I just showed you before, you'll see it's darker than the rest of the lace. That's what you need to sew to the cap. Do not sew the actual lace to the cap. So anyways, I start from the middle and sew down, and then once I get done with one side, I just go to the other side. It's easier to have like wig clips, not wig clips, but like wig pins when you do this because it's going to help you out. So once I'm done doing that, I'm just gonna sew the bundles in. It's pretty simple. Just go from side to side. I do cut the tracks um when I get to the frontal because I don't want to flip it, and I'm doubling the tracks, so I just cut it so it'll lay flat. Okay, so as you can see, I'm just going into a U shape, going back and forth until I fill up the circle or the gap, and then once I'm done, this is how the wig looks. See, it's all complete and it's all nice and neat. So just undo the baby hair, the frontal, and I straightened it with my titanium flat iron. This is my favorite flat iron. I really need to get a bigger one, but I just haven't had time, so yeah. So once I straighten it out, it looks very nice and it's flowing very lovely. And this is how it looks. I did pluck this frontal a lot. I'm starting to like doing more frontal wigs. They're becoming more easier to me. So this is how the wig look. It's very simple and classy. Nothing too over the top, and this is how it looked once I installed it on my client. She loved it. If you don't know, I do hair, so you can follow me at Slayed by Tamia, and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.